Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an account in AWeber. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing to do is just to go to the aweber.com website so you can access the platform. And after that, you will be able to start creating your account. So as you can see here in the landing page, you will be able to either continue with Google. That means you are just going to use your Google account so you can create your own account on AWeber, or you can simply start by adding your first name, last name, and adding your email address. And from there, you can click on Get Started for free. And basically, you will be able to start your free trial, and then you will be able to start using the premium version. And if you go to the pricing of the AWeber, you will find all the subscription or all the pricing that are there. And basically, we will see them like monthly, and this is just for like depends on your subscribers, etc. So as you can see, you will be able like to see the features of a Weber, etc. And you can choose anything that you would like by after seeing this, and then you can click on get started with plus, and from here you can also start creating your account in case you didn't already have one. So let's just click on get a Weber for free, or I'm just going to continue with my Google account. Now I'm going to choose this one and then click on continue. And as you can see, we will be able to log in again, and basically, we click on continue with Google again, and I'm just going to choose this one, click on continue, and it seems for now there were some problems with the Google registration, and you can just simply click on sign up and use the regular emails and then start now, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.